Hi guys, today I'm here to present the new product from Midland, the Bike Play Pro, our new multimedia device for your motorcycle. Let's check it out together. The Bike Play Pro is the evolution of our Bike Play Guardian. This new model differs from the Bike Play Guardian. With a larger 5.5-inch display, it has a new intuitive interface and features a quick release. Whether you're taking a break or parked, you can take it with you and not leave it on the bike. Inside the box, we find our power cables, USB or battery, and our mounting system. The Bike Play Pro, once installed on your handlebar, will need to be powered. You have two options. The first is via USB cable. If your bike has a USB port available, it can be powered this way. Alternatively, you can use the 12-volt cable to power it from the battery. A small tip, connect it to the ignition so that when the bike is off, the device also turns off. Optionally, we're introducing the Bike Play Expansion Kit and the Bike Play Remote Control. The Bike Play Pro Expansion Kit will include 2 dash cams for your safety and 2 TPMS pressure sensors to monitor tire pressure. This handy wireless remote allows you to manage your multimedia display remotely. These are the 3 buttons on the Bike Play Pro remote. The first button allows me to change the mode. The second button allows you to answer or end a call, and with a long press it calls up the voice assistant. And finally, the last button is used to take a photo. To use the remote, I'll need either the cable included in the expansion kit or, as an optional accessory, the simple multipolar cable.